Hey guys, so today we are going to be working on the informational writing article analysis 2. This will be with the novel and the article. I just wanted to kind of talk and explain a couple of things. So if you're unclear, maybe me talking through it may help a little bit more. So again, this is nothing new. The prompt for To Kill a Mockingbird has always been explain how racial inequality negatively impacts society. Last week, again, many of you discussed one of these two examples of the thesis statement. Remember, you didn't have to exactly use mine. In your second body paragraph, a lot of you talked about the daily life or the social life or violence. I did notice that several of you were writing about the US justice system, and I need you to fix that because remember, our first body paragraph that we wrote in class together was already on the US justice system. We're looking at the second body paragraph. So if you saw my comment on how we already wrote about that, you are going to have to change that eventually before completing today's task. So if you have done that, what you're going to see today is you're going to be looking at the feedback I gave you on your body two that you started with the article. So you wrote your topic sentence, your evidence, and your reasoning. And some of you may have received your grade and feedback on that. What you're going to do first is fix it. And then once it's fixed, you're just going to copy and paste your work below in this graphic organizer. You're going to put the same thing here in your body in your second thesis statement. If it's fixed, copy and paste the article, and then you're going to copy and paste the reasoning from the article. The new thing that you're going to be doing today is pulling evidence on your novel and then doing your inference number 3. So, the first thing you need to do once you've copied and pasted your updated article information, you're going to be pulling evidence from your novel. Okay. So you want to make sure that if your second, let's say your thesis point or your subclaim was daily lives, you're going to be pulling evidence from To Kill a Mockingbird about how African Americans, Tom Robinson, experienced unfair treatment in his daily life. Okay. And then the last thing you're going to do is complete the reasoning number 3. Make sure whether it's your reasoning, explaining the evidence, and your reasoning number 3, that it is detailed. Okay. Some of you still are struggling on the short kind of um, sentences. Remember, try to avoid the shows. Really fully capture what the evidence is saying and add on to it. It doesn't just have to, you explaining it. It could be a little bit more than that. The reasoning number 3 is when you're bringing your evidence from your novel and your article together. What are both of these pieces of evidence showing about African Americans receiving unfair treatment? Why does it matter? Why is this important? As Americans, as society, what is this telling us? Okay. Avoid us, avoid you. But what's the bigger picture? Okay. Once you're done with that, again, you're going to just type your responses in here and then you're going to submit the assignment. Remember, do you have the best piece of evidence? Did you cite? I noticed a lot of you forgot to put the author's last name or the title. If it's a long piece of evidence, use an ellipses to shorten it, the dot, dot, dot. Okay, that will help you. So once you've fully completed that, again, you're copying, pasting the information from the article that you already did. So once you fix it, all you're doing is copying, pasting here. And then that's where you're going to be pulling evidence on your novel. And reasoning is where you're going to explain it and bring it all together down here, your evidence from your novel and the article. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. But once you're done, submit it and you're good to go. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.